friends! Today's warm-up is designed to be slow and gentle. Whether you use it in the morning or at any other time that you might need an easy entry into singing, this warm-up is for you. Let's take a few moments to introduce some gentle movement. First, reaching and stretching, involving opening and lifting the body any way that feels good to you right now. And then looking to release tension and add gentle movement. Allow your head to bend forward for a slight stretch. Maybe allow it to rock back and forth gently. Looking for a gentle motion and anything that needs to be released. And when we return to upright, allowing the head to balance right on top of the spine. In an aligned position, let's bring our focus to the breath. Take a few slow, deep, natural breaths, followed by a sigh. Again. And of course, yawning is totally acceptable. Now let's gently sing on a V sound, like this. Really glide through it, and go. Excellent. Moving now to a lip trill or bubble, let's sing the following pattern. And go. Keeping the face and jaw relaxed, let's lightly shape the lips and sing the following pattern. Coo, and go. Coo, coo, coo. feeling of sighing, let's sing ha ma 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 ma. 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 And sigh down. Next, let's retain the feeling of alignment, easy airflow, and relaxation with a little bit more gentle lip movement as we sing Zooey, ooey, ooey. It will sound like this. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. Try it, go. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Great job. This next exercise helps us to bring efficiency and focus into our sound, and then we can develop that interresonance. We will sing. Singing into a bit of a longer phrase, we will sing the following on money. Money, 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 money. I like the way the M brings the sound a bit to the front, and the E is going to keep things efficient, but let's make sure that we're staying relaxed through this exercise. Money, 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 money. 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 Money, 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 money. moment to check in with your breath and your body. Let's glide on an O sound. We'll start high to low. Ooh. And again. Ooh. Now low to high. Oh, and again. Oh. Very good. Let's take a moment now to just massage and stretch our faces. This is just a great way to reconnect with sensation. We're looking for areas that we might need to release or relax. Now gently swinging the jaw, we're going to sing on fa-yi. We want to make sure that the tongue moves with the jaw, that we're not adding any additional tension. The exercise sounds like this. Fa-yi, and try it. Very nice. Let's move on to ho-yi-ho. We want a feeling of warm, steady air and a feeling of having an open throat. Just a little bit of that yawn space feeling. Here we go. By now, we should be feeling well on our way to warmed up. If not, I'd encourage you to do a few more of the earlier exercises. Let's finish now with I sigh to sing. We're aiming to make singing as easy as sighing. It sounds like this. I sigh to sing. 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 Great job. Thanks so much for singing with me. Drop me a comment and let me know what your favorite exercises are, or if you have any requests. I will see you next time.